Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing some live trading on my real account and showing you how to use the MACD indicator or to find potential trading opportunities. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch until the end, because I'll also tell you how to get free trading signals from our Telegram channel. As you can see on the screen, this is my real trading account. I always try to show real trading examples so you can better understand how the strategy works in live market conditions. Now let's select our indicator. Today we're using the MACD indicator, which is one of the most popular indicators among traders. MACD helps traders identify trend direction, momentum, and potential entry opportunities. I'm going to place a buy trade here. The MACD indicator is showing bullish momentum and giving us a signal that the market may move upward. Indicators don't predict the future with 100% accuracy, but they provide useful information that helps traders make better decisions. Now let's wait for the result. And there we go. As you can see, our first trade has closed in profit. For those who are new to trading, the MACD indicator stands for moving average convergence divergence. It is mainly used to identify market trends, measure momentum, find potential buy and sell signals, confirm trading opportunities. When the MACD gives bullish confirmation, traders often look for buying opportunities. When it gives bearish confirmation, traders may look for selling opportunities. Always remember that no indicator is perfect, so proper risk management is very important. Now let's move to our second trade. I have selected the Canadian dollar to Japanese yen currency pair based on the MACD signal. I'm going to place another sell trade. The indicator is once again suggesting bullish momentum, so let's see what happens. And excellent. This trade has also closed in profit. If you want to receive free trading signals, make sure to join our Telegram channel. We regularly share free trading signals, market analysis, trading tips, educational content. The Telegram link is available in the description below.